One question, an organic compound A with molecular formula C8H8O forms an orange red precipitate with a 2,4-DNP reagent and gives yellow precipitate on heating with iodine in the presence of sodium hydroxide. It neither reduces Tollens or Felling's reagent, nor does it decolorize bromine water or Bayer's reagent. On drastic oxidation with chromic acid, it gives a carboxylic acid B having molecular formula C7H6O2. Identify the compounds A and B and explain the reactions involved. This is a type of question asked for board exam. So first you should read thoroughly the question. An organic compound A with the molecular formula C8H8O forms an orange red precipitate with a 2,4-DNP reagent. You know, 2,4-DNP test or otherwise 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine test is used to identify the carbonyl group present in this aldehydes or ketones. Carbonyl group react with the 2,4-DNP to form an orange red precipitate. The carbonyl group is present in this aldehydes and ketone. So if a compound give 2,4-DNP test if it is an aldehyde or ketone. From this sentence we can identify that it is an aldehyde or ketone. That is the reason it gave an orange red precipitate with a 2,4-DNP reagent. Then the next sentence, it gives yellow precipitate on heating with iodine in the presence of sodium hydroxide. If a compound consists of a methyl ketone group, methyl ketone is CH3CO group, methyl ketone. If it is a methyl ketone group, then only we get an yellow precipitate of iodoform when on heating with iodine and sodium hydroxide. So we can assign the compound consists of a CH3CO group. Then next sentence, it neither reduces Tollens or Felling's reagent, nor does it decolorize bromine water or Bayer's reagent. So here A form 2,4-DNP derivative, therefore it is an aldehyde or a ketone. Since it does not reduce Tollens or Felling's reagent, A must be a ketone with CH3CO group on heating with the iodine and NaOH. So A represents to iodoform test. Therefore, it should be a methyl ketone. Then the molecular formula of A indicates a high degree of unsaturation, yet it does not decolorize bromine water or Bayer's reagent. And bromine water test and Bayer's reagent test are used to identify the degree of unsaturation. That is, if it is an unsaturated compound, then on bromine water, Bayer's reagent is alkaline KMnO4 solution. Then Bayer's reagent is added, then it become the color become discharged. But here, this color of these solutions cannot be discharged. It indicates it is an aromatic ring, unsaturated compound due to an aromatic ring. So the compound A, we get an idea of it consists of a benzene ring. Benzene ring means C6H5. Our the molecular formula of A is C8H8O. Then it include a benzene ring and also a methyl ketone group in any position, then COCH3. Then on adding it, we get C6H5, this C6H5, then C6, 7, 8. C8, H5 is in the benzene ring, then 5 plus 3, 8. H8, then O. Then our first compound A is, this is acetophenone or phenyl methyl ketone. Acetophenone. From this first sentence, we can identify the compound A is acetophenone. So, From this first sentence is the molecular formula C8H8O form an orange red precipitate with 2,4-DNB reagent and gives an yellow precipitate on heating with iodine in presence of sodium hydroxide. So 2,4-DNB test is given, then it is an aldehyde or ketone. Then we find out it is an aldehyde or ketone. Then from the next sentence we can identify that it does not give Tollens reagent or Felling's reagent test. So we can identify it is a ketone. Heating with the iodine and NaOH, then we get an yellow precipitate of iodoform. Then we can assign it consists of COCH3 group, methyl ketone group, and it does not react with the Bayer's reagent and bromine water, indicate aromatic ring. Then our compound A is aromatic ring with the COCH3 group. This is acetophenone. This A on strong oxidation, it gives a carboxylic acid. A on strong oxidation gives COCH3 group converted into a carboxylic acid. COCH3 is converted into a carboxylic acid, COOH, having molecular formula C7H6O2. Then we can check here, this is C6H5, ring is C6H5, then this carbon atom including, then C7, then C6H5, 5 plus 1, 6H6O2. So this is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is the our next compound B. So from these two simple compounds we can identify in this test. So that is here A is acetophenone, B is benzoic acid, C7H6O2. That is acetophenone on oxidation, strong oxidation, COCH3 group changes to COOH group.